Sure you haven't been followed?
Yes, I'm the only one here.
Ah, good. This is it?
Yes, this is the new one.
Ah, good. One of Donna's finest. Welcome home!
Wayne.
Don't pick it up. We're not ready. Just hang up. Yes. We're not. No. He's not gonna like what we have to say, which is basically nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah, I know. So we're kind of in trouble. What are we going to do this year? We got nothing for website, anything. What can we do?
I don't know. We've rehashed this stuff so many times.
Well, what do we have from last year?
The Igor went missing again.
So we have no idea where he is, of course. So we have nothing there.
Nope.
Okay.
We have that those teens actually went missing.
But nobody connected to this, of course.
We have that footage.
Yeah, but that Donner stuff is from the 50s, and I don't know how to make it work with any of this.
Well, it came with that letter.
Yeah, but everybody thinks that's a hoax.
The cops think it's a freaking copycat.
Yeah, so basically what you're telling me is that we need content to magically appear from nowhere.
Well, that would basically help right about now. Catherine, it's 3 a.m. Who could this possibly be?
I don't know, but I got some deja vu happening. It's a box.
It's a box covered in 1950s flood newspapers.
Coincidence?
I don't think so.
Creepy.
Most definitely.
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
I think we have to open it.
Fine, I'll open it.
Okay. Well, that's interesting.
Glove. Miscellaneous trinkets. Local girl gone missing.
Wait a minute. Wait, I have this. I got this when I was researching here at the library.
Donner.
Well, yeah, this is connected to Donner.
No. Look. Donner, I'm in the need of more attractions. I've included some of my new ideas, Professor Grift.
It's Professor Grift.
I don't know, but it looks like there's all these articles that you have are here.
Yeah, they're the same ones from the scans, but these are originals.
Okay, well, here's something you don't have. Professor Grift's Auditorium.
Wonders of the Modern World. Established 1842.
Looks like a flyer.
It's a ticket.
Donner, there's something not right. I don't have a good feeling about this. They've got the Donner experiments out to the public. Attractions. I need more attractions. Give me some of your rejects. Professor Grift.
What, the Donner experiment tapes? But that was last year. But that doesn't make any sense. So you have a letter to a guy from the 50s about things that happened last year from a guy we don't even know?
How can this happen from last year? And is there someone watching them? Is it the person who gave us the letter to us?
It's possible, but there's no letter or anything from that person to us like there was last time. I mean, there's just all this stuff. It says go to the park.
Go to the auditorium?
I don't know.
I guess the only place to get the answers is...
The auditorium.
I think we are. Sure, we're going right the way. I haven't seen anyone in a while. Neither have I. Professor Grift's Auditorium, Wonders of the Modern World. This place looks, spooky.
Okay, well, what do we do now?
Oh, jeez. What? Oh! What? Hey, or something.
please not do this?
Welcome to Professor Grift's auditorium. Prepare yourself for the world's greatest wonders, widows, and freaks. Tickets, please.
Are we supposed to follow him?
No, but you can.
No, you go first.
Fine, I'll go first.
Move on, not much to see here.
Alright guys, it's move please. I'd like to get out of here. Guys, really, I'll admit it, I'm creeped out now. You could scare me, whatever. Just want to get out of here.
Igor Spitski. Donner.
What are you doing here? Get Igor! I have another one for Donner. One more for you, Donner.
Oh, don't know, bluebird, singing a song, nothing but little bluebird all day long.